Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's the 2nd of December, which means we're going to look a bit more closely at what was in day number 2 of the Elle Beauty Advent Calendar. If you'd like to see what's behind every single day, then you can check my full unboxing up here. But for today, we're going to have a little look at day 2, which is the NailsInc nail polish in Anti-Social Climber. So this is a full-size item. It RRP is for £11 on the NailsInc website, but I've had a little look this morning and you can actually get it for £7.15 on Look Fantastic. So I will pop you a link to that down below if that's something that you are interested in. So let's have a look. So in the booklet that we get, telling you about the products in the calendar, it says NailsInc nail polish in Anti-Social Climber. There's nothing better than an at-home mani using this timeless nude polish. Let it dry whilst you watch It's a Wonderful Life and you'll have super shiny, sophisticated nails to gaze at whilst you cry through the credits. There is a code. Use the code L20 for 20% off at nailsinc.com, and that's valid until the 31st of December, and that is for online purchases only. So that'll take £2.20 off that, so you're still cheaper getting it on Look Fantastic, but I'll pop everything down below for you and then you can decide. Now I have got really bad nails. I have short stubby nails, however I have popped the polish on for you to see today. So this is it here, and it is a real sort of pinky nude shade. This has got the 2 coats on that it recommends, and it is a really easy wearable colour. Even on my short nails it doesn't look too bad. So it is a pretty colour. So looking on the NailsInc website, it just says you're 100% human, and that's okay. This personality polish celebrates the daily dramas of real life and officially matches your mani to your mantra. It's a creamy formulation, high gloss and long wear, and it just says match your mantra to your mani. No, match your mani to your mantra. So cancel plans, climb into bed. A rich, full coverage classic nude, formulated with the NailsInc long wear system and featuring the signature wide hugging brush for flawless application. It is let's have a look. So it's free from parabens and it is vegan, it's cruelty free, long wear and rapid dry. So I don't know if you've seen the NailsInc bottles before, but they're a really nice design bottle with square, and this lid is like a false lid, and that just comes off, and then you have your bottle of polish like this. And I'll just show you the brush. I'm going to wipe the polish off. So I don't know if you can see, the brush is very flat and wide, so it fits your nails really easily. Literally you can just put your polish on in a couple of sweeps. So it's really easy to use. It does dry very fast and it is really thick as well. So that's that, and you can just pop that back on and it looks lovely if you've got them lined up or whatever stored. So I'll have a little look and see if it says anything else about them. No, it just says on the NailsInc website, it just says you should apply 1 coat of the superfood nail kale base coat to clean dry nails. Then it says you should apply 2 coats of polish. Then you should finish with 1 coat of the 40-second top coat with Kensington caviar. So yeah, so I suppose if you put a top coat on, it's going to make them more durable. It'll probably add a sheen, more of a sheen, because these, whilst they are shiny, they're not high gloss. But I really like the colour. I think it's a really nice colour if you're a bit sort of nervous about wearing colour on your nails. On the Look Fantastic website, there's nothing else extra on there apart from, yeah, it just confirms it's vegan, paraben and cruelty free. And yeah, so I'll pop all the details at the side so you can see what they're like. But yeah, I think that's a really nice product. I think that should suit most people. It's not a scary colour, so I think they've probably pitched that just right to include in an advent calendar. So yeah, I think that's a really nice product. So I'm going to take this off for work tomorrow, but I'm going to leave it on for the rest of the day. I hope you've enjoyed it. So I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Take care, everyone. See you later. Bye.